What's up, guys? Hi there. So, we're almost 3 months away from the launch of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but it seems like we know quite a lot about the phone already, including the specifications and the expected shape of the device. Not too long ago, we saw a report from South Korea revealing that both the S26 Ultra and the S26 Plus will feature flat displays, which would accentuate the already boxy aesthetic of the phones, making them look like a box of chocolates. Turns out that may not happen, because Ice Universe has just revealed what the S26 Ultra would look like, and it seems like it's gonna look like every other Samsung flagship from the past few years. In fact, even the S25 Ultra looks almost identical to the S26 Ultra. Anyway, according to Ice Universe, the S26 Ultra will have slightly rounded edges, which means it's gonna look like this. He shared two images, one from the front and one from the back. To be honest, it looks identical to the S25 Ultra. The only difference is that the camera rings are a little bigger, but that's about it. Even the display looks the same, which means flat-screen rumors were totally wrong. To be honest, I kind of expected this because Samsung uses the same design for their flagship phones for at least 2 years, so it was highly unlikely that they would change the design this year. With that said, Ice Universe says that the S26 Ultra will feature a titanium frame instead of aluminum we have on the S25 Ultra. He also says that the weight of the S26 Ultra will be 1 gram more than the S25 Ultra, which is interesting because titanium is both denser and tougher than aluminum, yet it's lighter. So I guess we'll have to wait and see if it actually is the case. But considering it's coming from Ice Universe, which is not a person but a self-proclaimed AI, I would advise you to take this with a grain of salt as well. Now, since we've been talking about the S26 Ultra, here are some updated specifications of the S26 Ultra. A few days ago, we got the European prices of the S26 lineup, and today we have the prices from the US. It shows that the S26 Ultra will start at $1,199 just like the S25 Ultra. The S26 Plus will be priced at $999, and the base S26 will be $799. These are the official prices from Samsung, so there shouldn't be any leaks here. With that said, I'll make sure to keep you updated with all the latest S26 information. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.